Now today we had the lovely weather that made me want to go to the water, and apparently everybody else did. The beach was packed.
I'm surprised because I feel like temperatures are just sort of seasonal. I mean, it is summer after all.
Yeah.
We had a little bit of the morning clouds. They cleared out quickly. It looks like temperatures are going to stay fairly mild, maybe a tad cooler than normal, at least until we get on into the weekend. Forward to this morning, though, we did see some of those clouds beginning to clear the coastline out over toward Mission Beach. We're going to see tomorrow the marine layer last a little bit longer, possibly push down to the surface and give us a little bit of that morning fog, but it will burn off very quickly, and yet again we'll see our numbers rise right where they're supposed to be for early August. Temperatures today out over towards Santee, 83 degrees, exactly what I had forecasted for inland locations, so they're looking pretty nice. We are seeing a few of those clouds trying to enter throughout the region, and temperatures out over toward Coronado, about 69 degrees. Oceanside, you're sitting at about 67 degrees out through Escondido. 67 is the magic number for you as well. The dew point barely at the 60s. We'll continue to watch it into the upper 50s for tomorrow and then increase yet again to the 60s by the weekend. And that means the humidity will be back for us by Saturday, eventually leading to a chance of showers and thunderstorms for the mountain and desert communities once we head on into around Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Wind speeds right now are fairly calm. They should stay about 5 to 10 miles per hour throughout the afternoon for tomorrow. We just have this trough in place, and it's really going to stay that way for the next 3 or 4 days, providing us with that stronger onshore flow. And so with that, we'll end up seeing the temperatures fall maybe about 0 to 5 degrees. Most of that going to be felt out over toward inland communities. And yet again, we're going to have the morning coastal haze right along I-5. It should clear, though, once we head through around the 9 a.m. hour. And then we'll notice temperatures trying to warm up, although not quite getting to where they're supposed to be this time of year. El Cajon, you're normally about, say, 89 degrees, and instead you're going to be about 83. Starting your day off around 8 a.m., you'll see the lower 70s for the coastline. Remember, yet again, dealing with some of those morning clouds. Inland areas dealing with some of the upper 60s. These numbers typical for us this time of year. Plenty of sunshine by the time we get through 1 o'clock in the afternoon, climbing into the upper 70s already in Ramona at 79 degrees, Poway going for 78. San Diego and downtown, you'll be about 75, but we should heat up probably another 1 to 2 more degrees compared to what you'll see at 1 o'clock. And heading out at around 5 o'clock into the evening, maybe getting ready to catch a movie. Get off work early, right? 73 degrees out toward Carlsbad if you're heading out over toward Sinopolis, and inland areas also dealing with the mid-70s there with wind, not really a major concern for you. Fast forward now on into Saturday, we're going to try to pull in a little bit more moisture. It's going to be very, very limited though, so you might feel it if you're super sensitive. If not, you'll just have to wait till early next work week. Starting you off at about 9 a.m., temperatures on into the lower 70s for the coastline. You'll end up seeing plenty of sunshine as well on into your Saturday and staying pleasant for your 1 o'clock temps. Staying close to seasonal for you out over toward La Mesa, 78 degrees, Chula Vista at around 74 degrees as well. Heading into the waters, no longer do we have that beach hazard statement, but we are still looking at fair conditions for you surfers with your swell out of the south-southwest, 3 to 4 feet, occasionally a little bit higher. Your high tide, though, impressive, almost 7 foot once we get to around 7:50 in the evening. If you are not heading to the water and instead you're just going to head out to the horse races, remember after the races at about 6:30 they have their concert. Steel Pulses in town, 71 degrees. You'll end up seeing a few clouds out there thickening up as we head through the evening hours. 7-day forecast for you. 76 degrees tomorrow. You'll see 75 on Saturday. Temperatures rise, though, once we head through next work week, and so does the humidity. Going 79 by Tuesday, 78 on Wednesday. Inland 83 degrees. The weekend staying in the lower 80s, increasing that humidity, but really feeling the stickiness factor as we head through early next work week. The mountains 83 degrees, a little breezy for you, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Pleasant over the weekend, and then isolated thunderstorms are possible for you Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The desert's 102 degrees, breezy at times. You also have a chance of rain by Tuesday. That's a look at your 7-day forecast. Guys, back to you.
It's almost the weekend. We're already in that zone.
I know. I keep thinking today is Friday. It's throwing me off.
Thank you, Sabrina.